So whenever you change the bobbin, it's important to do some maintenance on it, so let's just cover that. It depends on the type of thread you're using, but some is very linty, so we want to make sure that the bobbin case assembly area is nice and de-fluffed. You can see a bit of fluff coming out there, so do this. On a separate video we'll cover a more intensive clean, so just make sure there's no... Some people use a paintbrush, which is quite effective. This comes with the machine. You'll see this is the hook assembly that I showed you earlier in the previous video. So this is what we're looking at. And we want to put a dot of oil with your oil dispenser. Every bobbin change, a dot of oil is going to go at the bottom here, so that it nicely lubricates those two moving parts. So every bobbin change you need to oil the bobbin assembly area in this place here, at the bottom on this sort of little shelf, just there. And with a dot of oil and then stitched out to make sure your bobbin tension is correct, you're going to find that you shouldn't get any oil on your quilt. It's only a dot of oil. But if you do that every bobbin change, that's the only maintenance that you really have to do. Other than every couple of years, we recommend getting it serviced if it's normal use. So let's just go ahead and load up a bobbin. Let's put that bobbin case in. So we've got our bobbin case and we've put it in like so. And it always has to have a big click. If you're not sure, you might want to go to the back of the machine, use the hand wheel to manually rotate and make sure it's in properly until you're confident with the machine. To remove it, just pull on the latch door like so, pull it out, and then that is your bobbin case removed. With practice, you'll get to the point where you can do that with your eyes closed.